Ang purpose namin, kaming magkakabats, this is a 38th year anniversary namin, High School Batch 87, Archangels. Ang purpose namin dito is unang-una bonding. And then we have to build unity. Unity. About our financial report, a total of 464,639 cash money ang na-gain po natin because of all your support. Happy 38th year anniversary, Batch 87 Archangels. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Then enjoy! This is the beginning para sa susunod na mga event namin na mas lalong dumami at gumanda. At alam niyo naman, yung pagtutulungan, sana nandun din. Pagsasamahan.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. Your hand in mine. Yeah, we are.
Good evening, everyone. Happy anniversary, Archangels Batch 87, Holy Angel University. Mag-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong gabi at I wish you all the best.
So I think yun ang pinaka-importante, nagtutulungan kami. Kung ako lang, hindi ko magagawa. Baka magre-resign ako. Pero anyway, sa tulong ng bawat isa at sa biyaya ng Panginoon, nandito po tayo. Salamat po.
Baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are.
Kaya katamungan pong Batch 87, ikayong kabatch ko. Kasi ata mo po na miyabi-yabi, Taring kaya katamong kabats from abroad na minuli pa mo para makyabi kining kaya katamong bats get together. Kaya pami saob-saob ding balang netong mas dakata sopan, of course, dakata mo mas maging masaya tamo anya sana king tutuging get together tamo bisaob-saob tamo pa mo rin. Thank you. God bless Batch 87. God bless.
Dakal salamat kay pamamunta at salamat kang tiwalang pagkalobyo ka na ako na dalan kay ni kay pabanwa. Enjoy the night.